Well, I've got a couple of blinds here. Well, not blinds, shades. And their kids have been pulling on it. But what we're going to do, we're going to cut this off. And I've got another blind that the torsion spring inside is broke. I keep these old blinds just for this little, whatchamacallit, some kind of braid. Anyway, we'll cut this off and we'll put it on the new one, because really you pull it from here and not from here. Of course, the kids don't know that. So we're going to see how well it holds up. You can see there's a few stitches have come out of here, so we'll glue that down too. Alright, so we know this one's good. Now let's get the other one. Alright, so this one's no good anymore. Now what we'll do, since this one's got a little bit of a tear in it, we'll put it in mine there. Okay, this says for rubber, leather, canvas, steel, fiberglass, aluminum, wood, and glass. So we will, since this is for canvas, that's what this feels like anyway, is canvas. And we will see how well this stuff works. Okay, got my gloves, got my glasses. There's always that possibility of something get flung up into your eyes, so you want to make sure you're covered on all bases. This stuff here, you got to use it outside. Okay, I got everything ready. This doesn't look too promising because it looks yellow. We're going to try it anyway. You let it completely dry. If the area is real porous, you need to give it a second coat. When ready, assemble, apply additional coat to one surface. When tacky, press firmly together. Use pressure if possible during final bonding. The resulting bond permits rapid handling, but total cure, wow, develops in 7 days. This is when some help would be really handy. Okay, we're going to let that sit there for a little bit, maybe half an hour or so, and then we'll come out and see what it looks like. I've got the shade in direct sunlight, the way you would have it hung inside the house, and you can't tell anything as far as where it's been glued or if the glue is showing or anything, and you know it's the same one because it's got that missing spot right there. Okay, this is what the outside would look like. This would be showing from the inside to the outside of the house, and unless you look real close, you really can't tell much difference.